It's almost springtime. We just did the stupid time change and the allergies are going nuts. Which is the perfect time to start building spring projects. I've got two 8-foot 2x4s and we're going to turn these into 75 bucks. So we're going to start by making two hexagons for the top and the bottom of the planter. We need 12 2x4s cut at 11 3/4 from long point to long point. My saw is set at 30 degrees and we'll just get these all cut real quick. Okay, we're going to start by putting the two hexagons together. We're using outdoor glue because this is a planter and it will be outside. Yep, there we go. Start by gluing, and you can either use pocket holes and screws or do it like I'm doing and just shoot some really beefy finish nails in to hold it together until the glue dries. And make sure your miter saw is correct, because I had to adjust mine because my angles weren't lining up. So keep that in mind. You need to make sure your saw is reading correctly. My 30s were more like 31 and a half, which wasn't making my hexagon turn out very good. Last piece in. Still a little bit off. Alright. Okay, we're taking the second 2x4 and I've cut the rounded edge off of one side, and we're going to rip it into inch and 1/3 strips by inch and 1/3. Inch and 1/3 by inch and 1/3 strips. Hello. Okay, I've got my saw set at 40 degrees. And we're going to cut 12 3/4 inch pieces from long point to short point. Alright, we're going to go ahead and sand these real quick, but first, why did the koala bear get hired? Because he was qualified. Stupid, I know. Okay, so this planter is going to have 6 X's holding the top up to the bottom. And we're going to glue and nail each of the X pieces. Whoop. First I'm going to knock that over. Alright, so we'll put some glue on. And I don't have an exact measurement to where you need to place that, but just where they look similar from one side to the other.
From the outer edge.
From the outer edge. We're going to use some inch and I can get around there. 1.5 finished nails to hold them up. The first of anything like this is always the hardest one. So my prototype went a little more difficult than this. I'm just going to keep spinning it around rather than trying to hold one side up and nail at the same time. We'll just keep spinning it towards me. And this particular one is made to hold a 14-inch diameter plastic pot. You can adjust it to however size you want. Whatever size you want, not however. Now we've got all of them going one direction in. We're going to do the opposite side of each X. And those are going to be going obviously the opposite direction, laying on top of the bottom one. This is the neat part.
Tricky bit.
Neato. There'll be lots of spin and moving, so hang on with me. That's almost impossible to get to. one more. Alright guys, here is the finished product. Like I said, this one is made to hold a 14-inch pot. You can make them bigger or smaller depending on what size of pot you have. I'm leaving this one bare for right now, but you can stain it whatever color you want. Clear waterproofing or colored waterproofing, either one. This was made out of two 8-foot 2x4s. They cost about $3 and change a piece, so with tax that's $8 on wood. And I'm going to sell this one for $75, so that's a $67 profit, which is crazy good. You guys, please make them because there are 0 of these for sale that we're aware of. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share the video, hype the video. You know, that helps us a bunch, and share it with all your people. Tell them we're here and what's up. So that'll do it for this week. We appreciate you guys watching, and we will see you next time. Bye.
Pow.